Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup using chicken stock. Making homemade soup is incredibly rewarding and simpler than you might think. We will start with a rich chicken stock base, then add fresh, vibrant vegetables and your favorite protein. This guide will help you create a comforting meal in about 45 minutes, perfect for any day of the week. Let's get cooking. Building a strong flavor base is crucial for any great soup. Begin by sautéing your diced aromatics, onions, carrots, and celery in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Cook them gently for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender and slightly translucent. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for just 1 minute more until its wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. This step truly elevates the soup's depth. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour in about 4 cups of your flavorful chicken stock, ensuring it covers all the vegetables. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, then add your protein, such as shredded cooked chicken and any denser vegetables like diced potatoes. Season the pot with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of your preferred dried herbs like thyme or bay leaf. This creates the core of your soup. The final steps are all about perfecting your creation. Let the soup gently simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are fork tender and the flavors have melded beautifully. Before serving, always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings. Perhaps a little more salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon juice can brighten it. Finally, garnish each bowl with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Enjoy your homemade, comforting soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.